Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this wonderful soft creamy dessert, perfect for any occasion, and it's called strawberry mousse. So into my food processor, I'm going to be adding some frozen strawberries. You can also use fresh berries. I did freeze my strawberry yogurt. Use plain yogurts if you want to, okay? Along with 1 can of condensed milk. So once I do this, I'm going to puree the mixture until everything has been crushed. And guys, you can make this ahead of time. You can serve it, in individual glasses, or you can also make a lovely trifle and serve alongside some fresh fruits. It all depends on what you want to do with yours. So I'm done pouring this, and you can see I have a very good textured strawberry stuff going on here. Place it into my mixing bowl. Then I'm going to add 1 pack of gelatin into another little dish and 4 tablespoons of tap water, and you want to mix this well. Then transfer this gelatin mixture into the mixing bowl with the strawberry mixture. Using a whisk, and whisk this for 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that everything is well combined. Chop some strawberries, drop them in there, add as much as you want, and mix them up. Then scoop the mixture into your serving glass. And you can see that this mixture is creamy. All right, this is a beautiful creamy textured strawberry mixture that I have. Now I'm going to place it into the refrigerator for 1 hour. 1 hour later, guys, this is our strawberry mousse, guys. It's perfect, it's creamy, it's fluffy, it's a great dessert, a delicious dessert to serve at any occasion. So if you like this recipe, give my video a thumbs up. Don't you forget to subscribe and give it a try. Enjoy, and I will see you soon. Bye.